In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a logo carousel in Wix Studio. A logo carousel can be a fantastic addition to your website, showcasing logos of your partners, clients, or any other images in a visually appealing way. Let's dive in and see how to set this up. First things first, we'll need to open up the Wix website editor. If you haven't used it before, you can access it online through your Wix account. Once you've got the editor open, it's time to start adding elements to your page. To do this, locate and click on the Add Elements button. This button is your gateway to customizing your website with anything from text boxes to images. Now, since we're focusing on a logo carousel, the next step is crucial. Click on Image in the menu that pops up. This will allow you to select an image that you want to add to your carousel. After clicking, you'll be prompted to choose an image. You can upload one from your computer or choose from the collection already available in Wix. Make sure you're selecting logos or images that best represent what you want to showcase. Once you've selected your image, the next step is to duplicate it. Click on the image you've just added. This selection is important as it will open up more editing options. Now find and click on Duplicate. This will make a copy of your image, and by repeating this step, you can quickly create multiple images for your carousel. Now that you have multiple images, it's time to arrange them. Click on an image and drag it to position it wherever you want it on the page. Alignment matters, so make sure you space them evenly and in a straight line to keep the carousel visually appealing. Once you've arranged the images to your liking, it's time to group them for easy handling. To do this, select each image by holding down the Ctrl key, or CMD on a Mac, and clicking on each logo. With both or all selected, look for the Group Elements option and click it. Grouping them will ensure that any changes you make will apply to the entire carousel, not just individual images. Next, let's add a touch of dynamism to your carousel by incorporating animation. Click on Animation and Effects in the editor. This will open a plethora of animation features. For a carousel, you might want to choose the Loop feature. This option will enable the images to continuously scroll, creating that classic carousel effect. Once you've set the loop, you're almost finished. Finally, hit the cross or exit button to close the editing palette and see your new logo carousel in action on your Wix website. And voila! You've now successfully added a logo carousel. Make sure to preview your site to confirm everything looks great before publishing. That wraps up our guide today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.